So picture this. It's 1932 in Australia, and farmers are desperate. 20,000 emus are destroying their wheat crops. The government's solution? Send in the actual military with machine guns. Sounds like overkill, right? Well, here's the twist. The emus won. These birds split into small groups, zigzagged unpredictably, and could somehow take multiple bullets and keep running. After firing 10,000 rounds and killing only a fraction of the birds, the embarrassed soldiers literally retreated. One commander even said the emus could face machine guns with the invincibility of tanks. Australia lost a war to birds. Let that sink in.